Okay, there it is.
This is interesting. They don't have an official Chrome OS ISO yet installed on the USB stick.
What do you mean by that?
When I check if there is a Chrome OS flex for the ISO image, they told me it's only available through the USB stick. Means I have to reformat USB and reinstall it from there.
Okay. Interesting. Huh? Oh, hey Max. Yeah, man, the stream crashed. I hope everybody goes back now. Just check if the device is writable. Has
Well, brother, once you figure out how to install the Chrome OS Flex on your VirtualBox, let me know because I don't have luck on it.
sure. I'll keep that in mind. There we go. Okay, the pie is almost ready. I'm waiting for that. storage. Are you serious? Okay, there. Now I'm just gonna wait for the Pi to install. No longer valid. Oh, come on. This keeps crashing. Oh yeah, Max, it works. I'm just trying to install the system, but it's crashing. Let me try it over here. Some odd reason. Let me see. Odd reason is just try. But yeah, the Pi does work. I just gotta fix it right now. There's no drivers, so we can't really see anything. Just need to install. It's not detecting the. Oh my god, you serious? Oh, wait, it did detect it? Let's see that again. It's not seeing it. Ah, God. Oh, the stream crashed sometime back, so I had to restart it. I am trying to install Pi OS, but the detector that I have to use SD cards is not working. I'm trying to find a different one here. One of these has to work. I don't have another one here. I don't think it's that, but I could try that. If it is cooked, then dang. It's supposed to be a 200 gig drive. No, but I don't think the issue is... No, that's not it. No, like the issue is not that the drive is not working. It's basically this. This connector. I have this here. It's not working correctly. That's the issue that I'm having right now. So let's try that again. It doesn't want to detect it. I think I have another connector. I have this connector. This one should work. Let's put that in reverse. And see that now. Ah, there it is. It was this stupid connector wasn't working. Okay, sweet. There it is, that's what we needed to know. SDD, there we go. So now ICS need to download Raspberry Pi imager. I wish you good luck with Pi. I need to go to sleep. It's 1 a.m. Oh, thanks for joining, Lucan. You enjoyed the rest of your night, man. Thanks for joining the stream. Appreciate that a lot. What? There we go. Yeah, that's what I want. Thank you. Okay. Yes, give me SSH, max, right. Come on. This is what we have been waiting for. It's writing, it's writing, it's writing, writing, it's writing, it's writing. Oh, so this is where I had the other one. Totally forgot I had this one over here.
Jack, brother,
Huh? What's up?
I be leaving the call for a while. I need to make a phone call out to another person, so I will join back soon. Then I'll be watching you while you're doing your thing.
Oh, that's alright, Andrew. Take your time, man.
Alright, cheers.
Later. It's writing, that's what we are waiting for. It's writing, it's writing. Come on. The show must go on. Come on, waiting for this to write, waiting for this to write. Come on, come on. Yeah, we gotta keep zooming on this thing. Well, that's about right. I have that in my NTP server and now. Oh no, the satellite. Are you seeing any log errors then, man? Are you getting any any log errors or anything at all? Oh, I see, gotcha. Okay, let me take here, since the stream crashed, let me pin again the message. This is still waiting for this to load. gonna put back the poll. Huh? Come on, it's almost writing, so we can actually install it. So I want to see if I can actually get this screen to work, even though it's a touch screen. It came with a little, this literally reminds me of a Nintendo DS touch thing. 95%, 96. Don't you fail on me now. Honestly, don't fail on me. I'll be a little bit disappointed if that happens. And mad. I'll be both things. Mad and disappointed. 99%. Yes! Verification. Well, Max, we're almost finished installing. Installing the Raspberry Pi OS system. So I can go ahead and just put it in here. I hope it works. That's right now what I'm waiting actually. It's almost done, so I can just grab the SD card and put it back to the Pi 4. I thought about it, but I don't want to take my chances. I want everything to be perfect. It's almost done. I can wait a little bit. The chat is. Oh, the other chat. Wait, let me fix that. Refresh. There we go. Now that should actually fix. Oh, hello Leo. Thanks for joining the stream. Just waiting for this. Just waiting for this. So, what do you mean? This PC or the one on the screen? Because this, I just finished cleaning it. So I'm actually waiting to install the operating system. So I can just grab the SD card and put it back here. That's what I'm waiting for right now. It's almost done. Yeah. Yeah, the main purpose of this stream is just to help anybody out with any computer issue that you might have. I might be able to find a solution or an alternative solution, and if anything, I'll recreate it on my system. Yeah, so I added, like, today I bought this little camera, so I wanted to show, like, if anybody else wanted to see like anything in real time or physically there, then yeah, that's what I'm doing basically. Yeah, we also have on the right side of the stream a Discord server there. Like, say if you have like a little issue, and if you want voluntarily, you can join the server and join there and just show your screen so I can see the issue more visually, and I might be able to figure it out what's wrong. But that's if you guys want, or if you still want to join in the chat, on the voice chat, and just talk about other stuff related to this. Some people do that. There's a pinned message on the live chat. Oh, okay, you got it. Ah, sweet, this is done. Sweet, finish. Now I can just eject this out. So yeah, here it is, finally. Let's just take that out. Now, it should load. Now it's out of there. Take off power. Can you please just be removed? So let's just put that in here. There we go. Now basically there we go. Now let's turn it on. Obviously this is gonna be blank since there's actually no drivers for this screen yet, so I gotta install some drivers on this. Yes, they are, Max. What OS are you using? So right now I'm actually using Linux. It's running like a Windows 7 theme. I am using open source tumbleweed fast fetch. That's the distro that I'm using right now. Catchy OS. Oh, some of the other guys actually mentioned that one. Haven't actually used it. They said it's good. Other think it's unstable. Both opinions collide. So I actually want to see if this is actually working. Really, Leo? Well, I may have to do virtual machines on it. Let's see if we can actually pin PyOS. Hey, that's a good point, Leo. Okay, I need to find out if this is actually working. So I'm gonna put this over here. So let's actually put this screen. I'm gonna have to connect. Wait. So let me turn this off for a second. I do need. Yeah, so I need to see if this is actually working. You're good, Max. That's not my public IP, man. That's my local IP. Nothing to be worried about. Yeah, if you wanted to see the publics, just do curl ifconfig.me if you want to find out your own public. Manjaro is just arc unstable. Others have mentioned Manjaro, haven't actually tried it, have seen it. I don't see the reason to use Manjaro. It's just trying to make a already stable system more stable because of history. Might as well just do Fedora or Debian if that's what you want. I actually use Debian and Fedora. I like both of them. I like more Fedora than Debian. Thanks for subscribing. Leo the Goat. So I'm gonna put this on the screen. Yeah, sometimes my internet is super fucking crappy. Really? 10 minutes? I didn't even notice. Oh god. I guess this is not 100%. I need to plug this. I need to see if it works. Oh gosh. Okay, so the last subscriber. That's true. Max was the last subscriber. Now it's Leo. I want to join, but I've been limited for something. Apparently, I did 8 weeks ago. They didn't give me a reason. Okay. Now let's see if the pie works. Okay. So it's supposed to give me a screen output. I know it works. Okay. No signal. It works or it doesn't work. Maybe I broke it. No signal. I only been limited for 7 days. It's just AI doing weird stuff. It's a possibility. Could this be interfering? It could be. I think it's interfering. Let's try it. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna unplug the screen and see if that works. But I wanna try one more time and the other one. Because I remember one of these is actually damaged. Yeah, there's no input. So yeah, okay. So this goes there. Get off. Come on. Don't break on me, pretty please. Ouch. I beg of you. I always have anxiety with these things. Let's see if it actually works. Oh, hello Jack. Thanks for joining the stream, man. I still don't see a display. Oh, I see something. That was a freak.
hello.
Oh, hello, ECT Gaming. Thanks for joining.
Can you hear me fine?
Oh, hey. Yeah, I can hear you fine, man. What's up?
Oh no, I was just having some issues with my microphone. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't know if it is Linux or I think it probably is this laptop. It's an Acer laptop. And I think the port is kind of shitty or something. What are you doing?
Wait. What do you mean? You have an issue like on what again?
Oh no, it's my microphone. It sounds kind of silly on my end. There's like a lot of noise. I don't know.
I hear you just fine, honestly.
Okay, so maybe probably it's on my end. I don't know. Yeah, so like when I speak, because I was recording myself, when I speak like there's like noise in the background, so I don't know. But I mean, if you hear me fine, I guess it's just like fine.
Yeah. So far I hear you perfect. I hear no issues whatsoever.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, no problem, man. Okay, so.
What are you doing right now?
So I'm literally trying to see why I have no display from the Pi. I think it is working, but I think it's glitching out at the same time. Oh, but that's what I'm trying to check out. Oh wait, this dude, wait, ETC Gaming he has a question. You got a question about Linux? Kernel panic? Oh, that's...
I'm sorry, what was it?
No, he said he has a question about about Linux having a kernel panic. I actually ECT. I actually made a video. Well, using Mint, I made a video on how you can actually fix the kernel panic. I'm not sure it might work for Mint, but give it a try. Check out my channel for kernel panic fix. It might give you some heads up. This is still... If I could just figure out the IP of this, because I think it is working, but at the same time, I think it's a little messed up. Oh man. I'm sorry, man. Were you saying something else? I was just looking at the chat.
No, it's okay. Are you back live?
I'm sorry. What was that again?
Oh no, yeah, I see you. You're live now. Yeah, I just close the tab. Okay. Oh wait, I'm live too. Do you realize it?
Oh yeah, I'm live. Oh, you didn't notice?
No.
That's okay, man. Don't worry. That's the thing. Whenever I'm live, I always go here because sometimes new people join and they'll literally share their screen if they want voluntarily, so I can see their issues.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, or if not, then other guys, same as you, they'll just join and we will just collaborate in ideas like what could it be.
Like Andrew, a few months ago.
Yeah, like Andrew or earlier. Well, Dead Man hasn't joined today. There's some other guys from other countries. They also join and they just tell each other. We just all collaborate. That's the main point of this like stream and the server and everything else. Just literally help each other out on these computer stuff.
Oh, okay, I see.
But that's for me, like I'm always doing. I'm basically just fixing my own issues or just helping somebody else. So the good thing about, well, if you do miss like the streams, I don't know if you noticed, but there's like a text channel on Discord that has all the YouTube chat. So if anybody wants to look that up, they can look that up. So like, cause last time I remember some guy came a few streams back and he was asking me like, hey, do you remember my issue? And I didn't, but I remember in the text channel, everything's safe because I have it connected like to a little bot. So that's why you hear the Discord notification because I don't notice the chat. So I use that so I can notice like, okay, somebody's texting on the chat. Okay, this is actually frustrating me. This is not working. Wait.
Which chat of the server are you talking about? The general chat or?
There's one that says YouTube live chat. Like,
Chat. Oh, okay.
yeah, that one it records all the live streams that I have been, and then also you'll hear a notification of Discord that someone sent me a message.
Okay, I see. Yeah, it works. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I added a little bot so I'm actually fully aware. Because I just don't notice sometimes when someone is texting on the chat, sending a message. So I added that, so I'm aware. Like, oh, okay, look, someone sent a message. I need to learn soldering and Raspberry Pi stuff. Jack, I don't know much about soldering. Any stuff with receiver and transmitters? What are you trying to build? I'm curious, Jack. Well, what are you trying to build, man? With a Raspberry Pi? I have mine here, but I'm having issues at the moment. It just doesn't want to ship. I'm an amateur radio operator, so I'm trying to build something called a HubeNet. I'm gonna look that up. I don't know what that is. HubeNet. HubeNet. Are you really, Leo? Build your own node. Oh, really? Oh, that's sweet, man. I actually want to try to connect to my Pi, but I can't connect to it.
Is it for like what was it? Voice or IP or something? The connectivity?
Oh, it's similar to that?
Seems like. I don't really know much about.
Oh,
radio stuff.
that's alright, man. Don't worry. Internet gateway. Okay. I need.
Now see, nice.
ITC. You run a PC repair store? What? Really? That's awesome, man. You can hear me on the hubnet if I use my walkie-talkie out the window. Okay, Max. Thanks for joining, man.
Okay, so is it like some sort of like federated, decentralized communication system? Because that's what I kind of understand from what Jack just said.
That's what I'm looking. Yeah, I fixed laptop consoles desktop on Pies. Huh. ICT. Do you have an idea? Maybe you could try to give me like. I think my Pi right now is malfunctioning with the display. I'm literally trying to check it out because pretty sure like look, it's connected right now. I think it's the cable is broken. I think I need to put another cable on it. Do you might have a fix on that? See, it keeps trying to like connect. I'm pretty sure my cable is damaged. Because I actually don't need like this. I just need to know the IP. So I'm just looking for it right now. A multimeter? I think I do have one, I just don't remember. I need to check. If not, then if I can just find the IP on my home address, I'm gonna just look for the IP for now. I think I do have a multimeter. I just don't know how to use it that well. Like I can repair stuff with computers, but I don't really understand much the other sections.
The way you can check if the cable is good with a multimeter is like picking the continuity check on the multimeter, and then you can go to like pin 1 on one of the ends, then you go to pin 1 on the other end, and if it beeps, it means there is continuity.
So if
and then you go to, sorry, go ahead.
So wait, you telling me if it beeps, that means it's good? There's no short?
Yeah. Well, actually, what you wanna look for is like, no, yeah, also shorts. I mean, if the cable is broken inside and multiple cables are touching each other, that's, for example, if you go to, I don't know, pin 1 and pin 3 and it beeps, that means they have connectivity. Well, they have continuity inside, and that's bad. That means the cable is broken somewhere inside and multiple conductors are touching each other. Or, for example, if you go to like pin 3 on one end and pin 3 on the other end of the cable, and there is no continuity, that's bad because that means the cable is broken. You're not getting signal from one. Well, you're getting really electricity from one end to the other.
So okay, so if I hear the beep, there's continuity. But if I don't hear anything, that means that side of that connection is broken.
Well,
or am I wrong?
Somewhere, is broken. So if you grab one of the ends of the cable and you put the probe on node 1, I'm sorry, on the first pin, and then you go to the other end of your cable and you put the probe on the pin number 1, and there is no beep, that means that specific cable is broken, because like an HDMI cable has, I think, like 20 or something cables running through it. So if one of them is broken, the cable is probably gonna malfunction.
Okay, gotcha. Well, okay, let me check my phone. I hope it work. No way. I hope it's actually the cable damage and not the Pi. Where is it? Oh, I found it. Oh, it has service. Oh, yes, it has service. It's alive. I think it's the cable. Yes, I can see the Pi. I can see it has service. Yes, that's the host name. Awesome. Okay, that's actually good. So I think you might be right. In terms of the cable. So sweet. So if that means pin 10.0.21. Yes, we have reply. Sweet. We have reply. Okay, we don't need this anymore. We have reply. So now we're gonna do top and bottom SSH. Let's put that bigger, man. I'm blind. 10.0.21. Ow. Okay. I gotta remove the host. Okay, so that's good. Get in the freaking folder.
No, you need to delete downloads and.
Crap.
Okay.
I'm sorry, what did he say?
Oh, you need to refer to the home folder, because you're trying to access .ssh on the root. That's why it is not getting anywhere.
The host. Oh wait, that's right.
Yeah, you need to cd to your. No, just cd. No, just do cd, or are you root right now, or I don't know.
I think I keep forgetting the pad. I think it was this one.
Yeah, usually.
No.
No. Don't use the backslash. Use like cd.ssh.
Oh wait. Sorry.
No, hit enter, cd and enter. Okay, now you are on the home folder. Now you can just cd.ssh.
There we go. Yeah, we don't need this. There we go. Now it works. Thank you. Thank you so much. There we are. Now sudo update the Pi. Thank you, Jack. Good to see you, Leo. I have like 20 boxes of random tech stuff. I never throw them away unless I want to sell them. 20 boxes? What do you have in those boxes? I would like to see screenshots. If you join the Discord server, Jack, share them with everybody. 44 packages, okay. Upgrade. So I do want to update that, and I'm gonna see if I can connect this touch screen. I need to find the drivers for this to work. ITC, dude, that makes you have a repair shop. That wouldn't surprise me. 100 RAM sticks. You know how much gold you have in there since RAM prices are going crazy? Even the used ones are going like over 200 and 400 bucks. I think
I just purchased. Sorry, go ahead.
No, what did you say, man?
I just purchased. I'm building a game computer right now.
Oh, really?
I just purchased 64 gigs of DDR4 for like triple the price. But I mean, like, I just decided to buy them anyways because before they get even more expensive. So yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is.
I get it. It's honestly, RAM prices are just going crazy. First it was GPU, now it's RAM, then something else. I think it's just ridiculous. Like it's like saying buying a pre-built is more cheaper than building it yourself now. Most of the customers donated them. Wow, that's well, at least they don't know what they have, so you like take it for yourself, and you can build anything that you want on that. That's really convenient, man.
Yeah, that usually happens in like repair shops. Because, for example, let's say a customer takes a laptop for an upgrade, 8 gigs to 16 gigs, and you do the upgrade and like, hey, what do you want to do with this old stick, the 8 gigs one? Just keep it because, it's just normies. They don't really know.
They really don't know what they're losing when you actually know the value.
They don't really care.
Yeah, they're more like, I'll just fix it and that's it. Some of them. That's good. That's not bad. Honestly, that's an okay price for use since they're literally extremely overpriced. Like you can literally buy new ones for around 120, but now you literally just gotta balance your prices since it's just expensive and it's just way too much. Is there a photo channel in the Discord? There isn't, but I can create one. What should I name it? Like that photo channel or another name? Okay, sure. Yeah, I'll make one. Give me like a few minutes, a few seconds actually. I'll just make one. Yeah, if like anybody has like any new channels that they want to add, just tell me. Here we go. Let's put tech photos. I'll call it tech photos. There. I'm gonna edit that. Everybody here. Everybody can view it. I can create stuff here, threads, public, private, embedded. Okay, there. There I added a pin message of the Discord server if you don't see it on the live chat. If not, then I'll just send the link again. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this Pi shutdown. If you're asking me, Mike, I'm from the U.S. territory, Puerto Rico. You can even see it on the channel. Shut down.
Oh no, I was asking ITZGR.
Sorry, man. I get sometimes I confuse the names.
Yeah.
Oh, really, Jack? That's cool. Let's just connect back the other mic. The other. Okay, it's working. Test. Okay, now let me put this back as I want to find the drivers for this.
I love the chat. I'm very slow. Just kidding. Bro.
Oh, hello. Ryzen?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hey, man.
Yeah, give me a sec. I just go switch over to my headset mic because I'm on my webcam and microphone.
Ah, okay. You sound clear, man. We can hear you clear.
Yeah, but I do my brother's walking in because this picks up all background audio.
It's I'm sorry, what was the last part? You cut off.
I said the webcam picks up background audio, so I'm going to switch over to my mic and the headset.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Okay.
Wait,
Right.
are you Jack?
Who?
Oh wait, who? From the.
No, I'm JR Gimlin. ITZ?
Oh, you're ITC. Oh, hey, man. Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah, because some people they have different names. I get confused. Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for joining.
So I do tech stuff all the time, and I'm after this good service to tech support on other people's on keyboard.
Okay.
They still do that high training LCD screen as well.
I'm sorry, what was that again?
I said I see you trying to do a screen on the Pi.
Yes. I'm trying to figure out now since the Pi works, I want to see if I could make the screen work, but I'm pretty sure I need drivers for this. So I never tried this before. I just bought it, but I don't know what driver.
If it's a touch screen, you're going to need drivers for the touch screen sensors to work.
Yeah, it's
have to be calibrated as well.
It's a touchscreen one.
Yeah. Normally without detect drivers when you plug in the interface, download them when the Pi is on.
The what drivers? I'm sorry.
Normally with a touch screen, the screen should come on when it's plugged in, but it won't have touchless ability.
Oh.
So if you connect the screen should come on because it's getting power, but it won't have any touch functionality until the driver's installed with the touch sensors to work.
Oh, okay. Well, normally, every time I tried it, it's always a white screen. There's nothing on it.
That's weird, because normally if you plug in the screen, it should display from the graphics, but you won't have any touch functionality till the drivers are installed.
I thought it was that it needed the drivers, and then it also needed. I think it needed like 2 different drivers. Maybe I got a faulty one because this is like a knockoff of Chinese brand, I think.
Yeah, because normally with I've worked with those types of screens in the past, and normally you plug and play, but the touch functionality doesn't work on them until the drivers are actually installed.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Not that particular brand, obviously, but like normal like branded screens normally work with plug and play.
Huh.
He has the same experience here, pretty much.
Yeah. So even the other guy just said the same thing. It's like a laptop screen, right? If you buy a laptop touch screen, the touch functionality won't work on a laptop unless you install the driver. So normally, it displays a signal from the GPU directly to the screen. You know?
I get it. Yeah, it's a plug and play if they're already installed.
Yeah. Yeah, and normally you should download the driver separately for the touch side of it.
Now
that happens a lot in like point of sales and kiosks. You need to install the drivers for those feature yourself.
Yeah, but most of the time in kiosks, the screens come on automatically, but touch functionality doesn't work on them until those drivers are installed. Because most kiosks either run Linux or some of them run an older version of Windows.
Correct.
You know? Yeah.
Then in this case,
But normally, if you get a white display like that, that's an indication either the screen is faulty or it's having a hard time picking up the GPU.
well, at first I thought it was a faulty issue, but then that's when I read online. I don't remember right now where I read it. Is that if it's in white, it means it's missing drivers. Literally, that's what it said. It's not that it's faulty. Supposedly.
Is the model number on the PCB?
Actually, there's a. I gotta take it off again. Damn it! Give me.
It's normally the model number is on the PCB either at the front or behind. And maybe pull off the drivers from Google if they upload it.
Let me wait.
When I've had an issue with a Pi with a widescreen like that, most of mine are plug and play. So that's the first thing.
Yeah, because this
Or
little...
yeah, but is it like brand new? You have never used it before, or is it something that used to work but
Oh, no, this is...
starting it right now?
It's brand new. Like, I bought
Brand
it,
new?
but I never actually used it because it always go widescreen.
It's an off-brand screen, so the chances are either it may be defective, or it's missing the drivers to function. If he downloads the drivers and it's still white, and then it's probably a defective screen.
Then I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna have to first find the drivers. I'm gonna have to search for this, or just search online again. So.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, Carl, because I was starting for a second. Try to find the drivers online. If they don't work, that screen could be faulty.
I really hope it's not, because I really wanted to try this with a touchscreen. I just wanted to have it like this.
Plus, you said you had an issue with HDMI. Oh no, that just plugs into directly to the motherboard, so I gain power without that. Does that have a ribbon cable last screen? Or was that direct running off the pipe for the connector?
The what part? I'm sorry, man. It's just a little.
Yeah, it's my thick accent. I know.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, it's because I'm from Wales, so I got thick accent. So the screen.
Yeah.
Does it have a ribbon cable that connects to the Pi, or is it running off a connector?
No, this one there is like a little ribbon cable, but it's right here. But I know this ribbon this connection here is for the camera, but no, like it's like a small little ribbon cable, like this one right here.
Sometimes, see, if I loose slightly, it goes widescreen because I've dealt with them on laptops. If they're slightly out of place, it can also cause a widescreen ribbon cable. It could be out by 0.5 millimeter, and that 0.5 millimeter can cause a widescreen.
Yeah. Also, Jeff, going back to the drivers thing, I will advise you to check on the listing for this on AliExpress, because usually on AliExpress, when you buy stuff, the seller is gonna... Yeah,
they list. So if you still go on the listing for what you bought, the drivers should be listed on there as well.
Because
if you go to like the description of the item, sometimes they link the drivers there.
That's true. Because when I did bought this one, it just had like it didn't really have anything. It just said it works for the Pi Model B4, which is what I have, and that's it. Nothing else. I just hope it's not faulty. There was no driver, but you know what? I'm just gonna check it now, because honestly, I had that laying there for a long time.
Yeah, but check to make sure there's anything listed on the listing. If there is, you're lucky. If not, you're kind of screwed.
Yeah, or Jeff, something else you can do is, by example, if that specific listing where you purchase this screen, if it doesn't have drivers on it, link somewhere, you can maybe search for similar screens on other listings, and maybe you can check if there's links there. Because usually most of these screens, if they look similar, they probably came from the same factory.
Ah, that's true. That's actually true, because I bought it from here. This is where I bought it from. Let me see something. You might be onto something.
Timu? Oh no, that's fine. I mean, if you purchase it off Timu, you can go to AliExpress anyways, because I mean anything's coming from China. After
So Timu maybe not. Bro, I haven't touched Timu. I've only ever used AliExpress for one thing. Now it's to fix the GTX 1660 Super because the bracket was snapped.
You actually bought a graphics card from this place?
No, I needed a bracket because the original bracket snapped off and I couldn't find any replacements.
Oh, that's true. Because honestly,
So I bought the replacement brackets for the GPU because for a customer, he lost the original bracket and his GPU kept falling out because he moved the back plate and no one in the UK was selling them, so I had to go to AliExpress and luckily I found one seller that was selling it and he was here within a week. So that's only one time I've used AliExpress. It does come in handy when you need parts for computers.
like I would say, yeah, like I would say the most convenient thing about these places is that they'll sell items that will not be sold anywhere else. That's like one of the good things about it. Like you were like, holy crap, they actually make this and they sell it.
Yeah, like the only thing I buy from AliExpress, the GPU fans, the heatsink, the wires, just stuff needed to repair graphics cards. That's the only thing I buy from AliExpress. You know, stuff which they make in China a lot, which I can't get access over here. Comes in handy when you need stuff like that.
Yeah, sometimes you also find like pretty interesting gimmicks on AliExpress that you won't find anywhere else.
Okay, this is literally the one. Plug and play.
So I don't. Plug and play means it should work again. So if it's listed as plug and play, the drivers are pre-installed.
Yeah.
So meaning you might have a faulty screen.
Uh,
If it's listed as plug and play in the description, the drivers are provided. And look, description, drivers are provided, look. Very good description, see? On top, plug and play wide compatibility. Yeah, drivers are provided in the description.
providing
So,
drivers.
Right there.
Yeah.
4V, yeah, you have a 4V, so.
He's using the connector type now. He's using the Blackwood connector for the screen. In the image, look, he's using a black cable from the second image down.
Second image.
Go down. Go down. There was a black connector to the screen to the board.
That one.
Down.
No, that's the power lamp.
Is it?
So that's
No,
how I have it aligned, literally right now.
Yeah, but that's the power cable, not related to the screen.
Hmm.
I know the screen has its own power cable, but yeah, see? Align the pins properly when installed. Don't insert the wrong pins.
Oh man.
It literally says plug and play, so the drivers are provided. As I said, most.
Go back to the picture with the guy holding stuff.
It looks he's doing something very different. That's something completely.
Okay, I think that's AI generator or something because he's got like a power supply cable. I don't know. Running from.
I don't even. That doesn't even look like a pie. That looks something.
Yeah. It's AI, obviously. Yeah.
Oh well. Oh man, I guess I lost here. Maybe.
Maybe I'll send that link in so I can take a proper look at it.
Say what?
Send the listing into Discord so I can take a
Oh
look
yeah,
at it.
sure.
I'll see why the screen's white. Because it's saying that the drivers are provided, so why are you getting a white screen? That's what I'm trying to think.
By any chance, Jeff, do you have any other Raspberry Pi?
I do have another one, and I tried it with the screen, same results. Like I have.
Okay, you might have a dead screen then if you try to do another Pi. Your screen might be dead.
Yes. Yeah, I was thinking about the Raspberry Pi itself being.
I was
broken,
thinking as well. I was thinking maybe the Raspberry Pi had the GPU defect. But if he's tried on another Pi and he's got exact same result,
That's
then
true,
the screen's
basically.
possibly defective.
Yep.
Yeah, I was thinking that because the Raspberry Pi GPIO is actually like very sensitive. Sometimes some pins actually burn. So I said maybe the Raspberry Pi is bad. I personally probably think it is the screen itself.
Oh man.
Because I have some, and yes, just as Ryzen says, they just work like right away.
God damn it.
Well, the screen itself works. Sometimes you just need to install the drivers for the touch feature.
Yeah,
But,
like, this is the other one.
As the listing stated, the drivers is plug and play, as in the description. So the drivers are there, but the screen doesn't seem to be working.
God damn it. Well, I had hope. Maybe if I find another similar to this one, because there's always like, okay, I think this was the similar one. No, this is another one. Still, it's all right. No, this is a different one.
But
I think this one.
that sucks literally.
I think you should probably just like process the return. Continue. Sometimes they just give you money back.
Oh man, I bought this last year. I just kept it there. I forgot about it. I think it's too late for me. It's my mistake.
Scroll down. Wait. Scroll down. Someone said read the comment at the bottom. Someone said mention about driver injection. Scroll down in the comments.
It says.
No, like, on the listing.
Yeah, on Temu.
On the Temu listing, someone said it worked via driver injection on Temu.
Actually works once you have the driver injected. Oh.
Yeah. See?
Huh.
Driver injection. That's new because considering it's plug and play, but yet this person's saying that driver injection, but maybe that might actually get the screen to work. Actually works once you have the driver injected into the OS, so I'm not complaining.
Okay, so I do have hope. Okay.
Yeah, it might work. This
Right.
may be your last hope of getting it working. Yeah.
Piece of crap doesn't.
Yeah,
This one gives that one gives me
hard.
hope. That gives me hope. But I'm gonna keep searching for it.
Well,
Yes.
that's something.
Yeah, maybe the plug and play thing on the description is just copland. Just a bunch of copland. I mean, it's Temu. Most of the screenshots are just like copy pastes from other listings. Same on AliExpress. So yeah, maybe that's just like a lie.
Yeah, guys on the chat are saying, not faulty dude, it's a driver issue. He bets his money on it. Jack bets his money on it. Okay, we're gonna search for driver issue.
Try to inject it, and if the injection fails, it's probably the screen. That's the only thing we can think of.
Well, let's see if I can actually, let's see, how to install screen drivers. You have not linked some drives which may not be corrected. What is this? That's for the camera. Damn it.
Oh.
Reviews, backed pages.
I say you should probably do what I said, like going to AliExpress and checking listings for similar screens, because that's how I often get the drivers for stuff. Because I purchase a lot of stuff from AliExpress, mainly like microcontrollers, like the ESP32, Arduinos and all that stuff, and that's how I usually get the drivers.
Wait a minute. I think this is the one. I think this is the one.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, let's try this. Okay. Side by side.
Yeah. Oh, you actually go document it. Configure the drivers log. Open the Raspberry Pi terminal. You have to configure the drivers.
Let's see.
Yeah.
CMake W. Well, let's see if we can get this.
Bro, if this works now, you're happy. If it doesn't,
I am
can't
saving this.
Because most pies for me be plug and play. I've never dealt with a white screen on a pie.
So then once that's done, I need to edit the config text file. Okay. Says it's working on, this is Debian 13 and Bookworm, and for 4 and 5, so I have 4 and 5. Okay, that's done. So now I need to go to here.
Edit the config.txt. Block the statement corresponding to figures below.
Okay, add the following code at the end of the config text. So
But is it the exact same model? Because on the website it said something about, well, on the documentation it said something about.
This documentation said this works for the Pi 2 to 5 on the stock. You've got, yeah.
Oh no, but I was talking about the screen, so because it said it was for a 3.5 inch screen, and yours is 2.4.
Yeah, this is the configuration file. You can configure it for different sizes.
oh wait, oh, I'll check that, Jack. I first want to see this.
Yeah.
So add the code at the end. I'm guessing add it here.
So you've executed the pseudocodes. Alright. Now you're basically editing the config.txt file.
Open the bash profile and create one yourself if you don't have a bash. Okay. So I need to create this, add the following code to the bottom. Okay. Open the 99F file. If the file is already exists, you need to confirm FB is FBO.
I have good news for you, Jeff. I just found the official documentation for that specific screen. Let me send the link.
Okay, okay, put it on the chat so I can check it out. If this one doesn't work, I'll try that one. And Jack said he also sent one.
Yeah, Jack. Ooh. Yeah, this one has the drivers here of Jack on the official website. The link Jack sent has the official drivers.
Oh, is it the same link? Oh, okay, sorry.
No, see the one Jack sent? I'm looking at it now. And it has the images ready for the Pi. Ooh, this might be nice.
Oh yeah, this is the same link, I'm sorry. Didn't notice.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay, it's booting the Pi. Yeah, let me pin it. Okay,
And that should come on. It shouldn't be a white screen. Because now that's just the configuration touch. You should see now put from the Pi if this works. Overall, Jack sent the official link. So
Okay.
once you go with the drivers pre-downloaded.
Let's see what
I don't
Jack
think the
said.
one you're installing right now is gonna work.
I think that's for different size space, see?
Yeah, you should probably need to go with the official one.
Okay, then let's do Jack's. Let's see.
Yeah, Jack sent it. See, he sent the official link to the 2.4 inch, the exact one you got. Damn, Jack found that fast.
Extremely. So driver download. Okay, so this
Yeah.
one. Okay, Raspberry. Raspbian. Okay, let's just download this. Oh wait, copy link. I'll just do it directly from here. wget. I'll do that first.
And how's everybody doing?
They're fine.
You guys found the drivers for it? Heck yeah.
Well, sure, thanks to Jack. He's the one who linked it to the screen.
Well, I really hope it works. I put the documentation for it under also. It's a whole nicely made PDF. Oh, it's a PDF. Oh, sweet. Okay, it's done. Let's unzip it. It was sudo. I think it's tar.
It's tar.gz.
No, but like you mean like the command itself to decompress is star minus b x z f. B? No, B as in
Butter.
yeah.
B.
No,
Or as in E.
Wait, PXCF?
I said toss it
B
in the chat.
no B as in void.
Ah.
I just tossed it in the chat.
Oh, you did? I just get
No,
confused.
it's my recommendation. So that way, because the phonetics of it.
Yeah.
Ah. Whoops. The docs are a bit more read the PDF. Okay. Wait. You added it? Okay, let me check. Here it is.
Oh, if this works now, you're going to be so happy.
Okay. Okay, step 2. Log into the Pi, get the newest driver. Oh wait, this is different.
Yeah, I think the difference that you're just pulling it from GitHub, which is actually cool because that means they are open source.
Okay. Now sudo
But do you know what, yeah, you have the 2.4 inch, which is MD1241, which is good. And your model's the top one then.
yeah, 2.4 is mine.
Yeah, which is the LCD24, right.
Let's see. Huh? Me too. Okay. Reboot now. Okay, now it's rebooting.
Okay, this should work.
Let's see. Oh!
We get it?
Oh, it freaking worked! It worked!
But it's still showing because it's still showing white on my end.
It freaking worked, Jack! You are the best! Oh, what the hell?
I guess we
Oh,
all owe money to Jack.
Jack, you bet your life. Oh, even the touch works! I am saving that.
I was not expecting this. I'm surprised. I was not expecting that to work. I was looking forward to the screen.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, so that means now, wait, oh, so now if I want to install it on this one, I just gotta use this. I am saving that. Oh, this is awesome. Right out the touch. Okay, so that works. Oh, sweet.
We're alive. See.
Oh, that's awesome. Choose a what? I don't want that. Click. Click. An application wants to create a new. Oh no, it's stuck in there. Let's zoom on that. Okay. Oh wait, I have an idea. Now that it works, I can just connect a mouse to it. Now on to the next problem. Gotta love tech. You know it, Jack. That's great, man. Now I can actually I have my wireless mouse, so I'm just now gonna use it.
Well, that's fine. You're good because the HDMI cable wasn't working. Well, because it was our fault. At least it got on the onboard touchscreen always working.
Oh, but that's sick. I can't believe how fast he found that. Huh, that's weird.
But with your Pi, you still need to figure out if you had a cable issue or connector issue.
But that is also a possibility because I have seen it like on other monitors. You get the white screen because it's broken, or like you said, defected.
Yeah. So your Pi might have a faulty connector, or the cable was faulty. It's one of the two. I've seen it happen to many times on monitors. Well, it's good you got the touchscreen working. But output screens may be an issue on your Pi if you go for the HDMI.
So that's wait. There's another step here. Method to offline. Oh, this is just
I think what you're looking at the screen right now is just the setup for like the GUI setup for the Raspberry Pi itself. Because I think you just flashed the image, right?
yeah. I literally just flashed it, but
Yeah, it's just like the first boot setup screen. I think you can't really like skip it. I'm not sure.
okay. I have another idea. I could try to skip it, or I could just do this. I think it's raspi config. What was the command to enter the configuration? Raspa. Oh wait.
Yeah, it's raspi config, but it needs to be 0.
There. Okay. No, not there. Where is it? It's connection. BNC. That's what I wanted. Yes. Awesome. So now I can actually. So now I can actually do that configuration here.
Your main computer, yeah.
So 10.10.21. What do you miss, Max? We got it to work. Yes. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that.
I give Jack that reference.
Oh no, Jack is the best.
Yeah.
Literally.
Bro, game monitor, that's crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna play Minecraft on this thing.
Bro, someone played Call of Duty on an AI-owned LCD screen. Like,
Technically speaking, I think you can play like emulators, and that screen is perfectly fine.
I mean, to be fair, someone played Doom on a pregnancy test, you know? So
yeah.
anything's possible.
Well, I mean, that one wasn't really Doom. It was like specifically programmed for running on like a microcontroller. But yeah, it was pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can also play Doom on like those old Texas Instruments calculators.
You guys haven't seen the Doom in a PDF?
Yes, I
Oh
have.
yeah.
You see?
I've seen Doom running in Excel, Microsoft Excel as well.
Oh yeah. You can also run Linux on a PDF now.
That hits.
That's awesome.
Yeah, because for some reason now PDFs have like support for JavaScript, and some guy wrote like a whole support layer for running the kernel on a PDF. It takes like 15 minutes to boot, I think, but it works.
That's if it works, then we're happy with it.
Yeah.
Can we?
Yo, Giga chat. Whatever you do not play my song I posted in general chat, okay? Someone play gigs and that hits hard.
I haven't seen the chat yet. Oh god.
And I posted a song in general chat. I made my AI bot because I'm a bot, and Dad, one would cast other people listened to it.
Is this song AI generated?
I written the lyrics for it, yes, but the vocals AI generated it.
Oh, okay.
Oh
It kind of slaps, so it's kind of good song.
I am, man. If there's a way, I'm trying to get the screen to go big. This is Am I able to? God damn. Hey Leo. Huh? Because it's through the VNC viewer, it's removed, so it's buggy. It's a little buggy, but right now my issue is not that it's buggy. I am literally just trying to go down and press OK or press Enter. No, I do not want to do that.
Can you resize it? No, you can't.
That's what I'm trying to do, resizing it. Oh wait, I could do it by a terminal, right?
What are you trying to do? To change the screen resolution?
Oh, resolution, but I like it. What's the smallest size to go to? Because it's at 640 by 480.
I don't think you won't be able to. Well, I mean, go ahead, try.
I
was already wrong. So.
I mean, I think pies go lower than 640 by 480. I think maybe 240 by 240.
So I think what's going on right now is the way VNC works is that it needs to hook to an already running XOR server. So your Raspberry Pi is running an XOR server for the screen. That's why your VNC is that size. It's the exact size of the screen.
Wait, then I should use this one. Now that I remember, I should use. Is it installed? Remina. No, I'm gonna use that one. Get some food. Oh, okay, Jack, take your time, man. Shower time for the mods.
Are you running OpenSUSE?
Yeah, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed.
Oh, nice. You know, I actually want to try OpenSUSE for the Raspberry Pi.
Really? Like, the main reason I'm using this distro is because a viewer mentioned the YAS control center. That's literally the only reason I downloaded, because it's literally a GUI for your packages and your distros. Like, the only reason I use this is just to see the distros. Like, if I want to add one, disable one, that's it. Or if I want to find the packages from here, like once this loads, say that I want to find a BLC, and it'll find it for you and install or uninstalled. That's the only reason I installed this distro, because you have a GUI for the repositories in your package. And I also added the Windows 7 theme, but I added this like 3 days last week. So now it's all wiggly. Woo!
Yeah, I was actually wondering why you were running Windows 7. But it makes sense now.
Yeah, it's not Windows 7. Even if I try to like do like a shutdown, or yeah, if I do like a shutdown, it goes to Windows 7. Cancel.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, that took me a while to.
It's kind of like coarse, but cool at the same time.
Yeah, I even added it added so many things, even the icons, the themes, everything looks like Windows. This one's like really advanced. This one took me a little while to get it.
Yeah, I once did the same on Windows, but I tried to team Windows as macOS, and it really took its time, because you need to find the icons, the theme for the shell, and all that stuff.
Oh.
And at the end, it didn't really look that good. I spent hours.
I think, gotcha. I think Well, this one, the one that I installed for the Windows Aero theme, it was suggested by a viewer, and I was like, really? There's one? Because I had one that installed Windows 7 Aero theme, but not like this, not to this level that I have it right now. And I had the XP icons, the Windows XP. So I think the viewer who suggested it to me, it was, I think it's, where the hell is it? It's this site, Aero. I think this is the site.
And what is your actual desktop environment? Is it made?
Oh, desktop environment, KDE.
Oh, it's KDE? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it makes sense because you have console installed.
I cannot find the. Max, yeah, yeah, Max, you can. Guess you can kill me as a
Whoa,
friend.
that's a lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, jeez.
Oh, hey, Andrew. Where is the?
That happened the wrong time or?
I don't know, man. I know you're in the future, so you tell me. I'm gonna do that joke every time with you now.
Come on.
Honestly, man. Well, what time? What time is it for you right now? It's 7 a.m.
Nope, 10:26 a.m.
Jesus. Oh yeah, we finally got it to work, Andrew.
Nice. I saw.
So for me, it's 10:26 p.m. Max is 3 p.m. Oh wow.
I think he's in the United Kingdom, if I'm not wrong. Or maybe in Australia.
Man, all you guys are all. Every time I stream, every single one of you guys are in all different time zones. I'm like, wait, it's 12? It's 1? It's morning? It's midday? I actually like that, honestly. So,
What do you expect? Like, you're on YouTube and everybody's in global.
I don't mean I have nothing against it. I just mean I was not expecting like out of the blue everybody coming to the stream and everybody's from a different time zone, different countries. I was expecting like, oh, it's just it's gonna be maybe mainly everybody from the same country. I'm like, oh, okay, I guess I was wrong. But either way, I love it.
Well,
I love
you're
it.
wrong.
I've been wrong so many times. You're from this country, this is from this country. I love it.
That's the beauty of the internet.
Say what?
That's the beauty of the internet.
Definitely. I keep forgetting the internet is limitless.
But that happens a lot, right?
You haven't seen the top layer of it. This is just a very limited layer. You haven't seen the depth. You haven't seen the deep web of the dark web and everything.
Oh, you mean Tor?
Yep, all those.
Yes, I have used Tor. There's some crazy stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
Like honestly, insanity stuff in there. It's just crazy and funny at the same time. I am still looking for the For the theme that I installed, that I want to find, I can't find it. Was it? No, that's not it. No, it's it was a repository. The other viewer mentioned it to me. Windows 7 idle theme for. Okay, I think it was for Arc because it works for Arc and. Here it is. Wacky ideas. Iodine. Okay, no, iodine plasma.
And I saw my favorite best friend, Ditman.
Hello?
What's up, Ditman?
Not much. Just nerding out. My kiddos are sick, so I'm actually probably gonna stay up fairly late to check the temperature.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, dead man?
The Chromebooks? Oh, you mean to install Linux on a Chromebook, Max?
We were just talking in the general chat.
Yeah. No, sorry, Jeff. Jeff's trying to run a stream.
Hey man, all of you guys are collaborating. That's the whole point of the stream, so I'm okay with it, honestly. Because you guys are helping, the chat is helping, everybody's helping. It feels like it's going crazy, but at the same time, we're all helping each other, I guess. Honestly, I thought this thing was dead. I was about to lose hope.
Nah, luckily Jeff saved through the screen, so you got a nice run the screen on your Pi. But the only issue is you might have a defective cable or damaged port on the Pi if you can't pick up the external screens.
I don't think it is the port itself, because he actually tested the cable of both ports, because the Raspberry Pi 4 has
But he wasn't getting a physical display, like the monitor was switching on and off. I seen that part. It was trying to detect the signal but couldn't detect one. So it might be a bad cable. If he has a new one and it doesn't work, he may have an issue for port. But we won't know until that time comes.
Yeah, I will advise you to get a new cable. Actually, no, don't get a new cable, get an adapter. Yeah, so instead of buying like a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, instead buy an adapter, because that way you can use pretty much any HDMI cable. And if the cable breaks again, you just need to swap the cable, you don't need to buy that specific micro HDMI cable to HDMI.
So Max, I did found my Chromebook, and the version that I had that doesn't work. What were you guys saying?
Oh, I'm sorry. So, like, instead of buying a new cable that is micro HDMI to HDMI, I will advise you to buy an adapter so you can use any cable. Because if you have
I gotta hear the worst possible thing in the world right now is like my mind is either blown or something, because I hear UK slang over here.
What?
I'm sorry, what was it?
Well, this is my first time hearing a UK slang. Are you from UK or are you from where? Because your English slang is a little bit, different.
Jeff or me?
You.
Me? Gigashat? Oh no, I'm from Mexico.
I'm from the UK.
Yeah, Ryzen is the only one that is actually from the UK.
Yeah, it's me.
I see. So basically, is near me.
Yeah.
So the version that I have for the Chromebook is the Lenovo Chromebook C330. It's not even here, so I can't. There's no support for it. So not even with the Suki Q, it doesn't work. So I can't do anything about it.
But you can use this.
I'll be right back.
What are you planning to do with your Chromebook? Install Linux or?
I wanted to like
Okay.
replace the Chrome OS and put an actual Linux on it. So Max, he mentioned this site that you can actually do it without having to do a SUSE Q cable like to remove the write protect. But my
Oh, yeah.
model is not here. Like my model is 330, and this is 340. And there's no support for my model. It sucks.
Oh yeah, no, like Chromebooks in general are like a pain in the ass.
Okay. I could try to do it, but I would need to buy this thing that I saw it online. The cute. What was the name again? Susie Q. Oh yeah. It's an odd name, but yeah, no, that's not it. I saw it on eBay. This is the one that I saw. This thing. It was $5. Now it's $6. This is what I was gonna try. Basically, it's like to literally take off the write protection from the Chrome OS and actually install a actual Linux on it. I was able to get root on it on the Chrome OS, and I tried to take it off manually, but when I did try to do it again, it just didn't work. So I'm stuck. I feel that the Chrome OS on that Chromebook that I have is slow as hell. I feel if I'm able to get like a Linux on it, I think it might be faster.
And it's probably the hardware itself. Chromebooks are really like hardware constrained.
That's what I
You know,
thought too.
that's what.
It's an ARM
Yeah,
it's an ARM CPU. It's not like 86 or 64. It's the
That's why Chromebooks are so cheap, because pretty much it's just like some of them are literally like manufactured trash.
Yeah, some Chromebooks is the Intel CPUs like the N100, N200 series. Depends on the Chromebook.
Yeah, like this is the one that I have. Lenovo Chromebook 330.
No, but I mean, you are right. Probably with Linux it will probably run a little better, because Chromebook is actually kind of loaded. Because it has all the Google services running in the background, so that takes a lot of resources.
Oh yeah. It's using ARM processor, yeah. If it was using an Intel processor, you probably would go away with Linux. You probably would go away with it, you know.
Huh.
It all depends on the Chromebooks, because if you had an AMD processor or an Intel processor in a Chromebook, you would go away with it. Because Linux doesn't really, Linux doesn't really run well on ARM. But yeah, I've seen people put Linux on the Raspberry Pi.
No, the problem is not that it doesn't run well on ARM. The problem is that the companies that make those chips don't really share the drivers and all that stuff. So that's why developers can't really make much with those specific models, because they don't really have the drivers and all that. They will need to reverse engineer a lot of stuff, but that takes time.
And it could take years to reverse engineer.
Yeah, a great example of this is the MediaTek CPUs on Android phones. Lineage doesn't really make ROMs for MediaTek devices because they don't really share the drivers. So that's why Lineage OS only makes ROMs for devices with a Qualcomm CPU.
Gotcha. Let me see if this works.
Alright, one issue which really annoyed me in Windows as well, which took me a day to figure out.
What's that?
It took me a day to figure out. I know how to fix it now. But customer came to me. His PC would connect to like a modem, but every single time it would say no internet access, even though it was picking up modems to connect to. And I did a DNS flash, did a network reset, none of that worked. Turns out his DHCP service was set to disable, which couldn't pick up any IP addresses, so the DNS server gateway.
So it was like in bridge mode, basically.
Yeah, I don't know how it happens sometimes in Windows. His ISP did an update, and it somehow disabled his DHCP mode in Windows. So, and I couldn't just turn that access on because it gave me access denied. So I had to run it through CMD to turn the service back on. Reflashed his DNS, released his IP config, did a system restart, then he was able to connect again. And that took me one day to figure out why his network wouldn't connect.
Where was the DHCP server disabled? On Windows?
On Windows, his internet service provider did an update, and obviously normally when the service provider does an update, it's somehow linked to DHCP. I don't know how, but it was. But when I checked the service manager, it was disabled, and I could not turn it on.
That's really odd. Like, it sounds to me.
It's rare. I've seen it happen a few times with some even the laptops. It's like Windows does an update, something screws up in an update, and it disables the service. I've only seen it happen 3 or 4 times in the past 5 years.
Honestly, maybe it could be me just thinking this out loud, but whenever I had like someone that had like connectivity issues, almost always, maybe it's just me, it's because they try to fix them themselves and they change something that they shouldn't have, and they just didn't reset it, and it just fixed the issue. Sometimes, at least that's what has happened to me, because even if it didn't have a DHCP server, you can manually just assign yourself an IP, and it would give you an IP, but that's not the point. It wouldn't?
I tried that. It didn't work, no, because basically, with Windows, the DHCP service controls all the DNS gateways and the IP services configuration. If that's off, nothing will work.
So when you go to configure it manually, though, that's when you would assign yourself IP within the subnet.
It wouldn't work. It wouldn't work. It kept giving me access tonight because the DHCP service was offline within Windows. It kept giving me access denied until I turned the service back on. Yeah, and the only way to fix that, the only way I fixed that issue was when I found, it was the DHCP client was off after this network provider did an update. And the only way for me to fix the issue was go to properties and service management, go to the logon, tab allowing local system to gain access, flush the DNS server, released the IP address, when I rebooted the system, then it was able to connect to the DNS servers again, which I found very strange. And why the service provider even do I doing an update? That's another thing that puzzled me.
That's...
Yeah, I don't know why your ISP would be pushing updates to your...
You know, it does. Some service providers do, because if you're using like mesh extenders, they have their own firmware. And if that firmware is connected to your system with an Ethernet cable, sometimes updates mess up, don't they? You know?
I mean, yeah. I guess I'd need more context and have to see logs and figure out what broke.
So basically, what the only thing the service does is it registers and updates IP addresses and keeps updates of the DNS records on the computer.
I need to remove the battery? Oh.
So if the service is stopped, it will not receive any dynamic IP addresses for the system. So yeah. Well, that still puzzled me while I was disabled, but it took me a day to figure that out. But now I know how to fix it if it happens again to someone else.
Good to know. Thank you.
Literally. Like, honestly, for me, when I did have like an issue like that, similar, not the same one as yours, if the DHCP server wasn't on, then my other thought was, okay, then it must be in bridge mode, and for whatever reason, the other device is also in bridge mode, so there's nobody providing a server. That's what happened to me once or twice.
Luckily, this wasn't in bridge mode. It was just the service was turned off from the service provider, which is still found weird, and I don't even know how that was possible, you know? But yeah. But at least I know now how to fix it in the future if anyone else has the same issue. It's like a 1 hour fix, but it's better than wiping out the entire system, which I was doing in the past because I didn't know how to fix it. So that saves me time.
But how did you exactly fix it? You had to use like a third-party HTTP server for Windows?
No. So basically, the way I fixed it, I went into the Windows MSC, where all the services are.
Yeah, the services window.
Yeah, I went into the services window. Then when I went to the DHCP client, I right-clicked on properties, and you should see a log on tab.
Oh, nice,
I clicked the
man.
log on tab, and I allowed the local account to take over. And after I did that, I went to CMD, flushed the IP, did the new IP address, rebooted, went back in, and it was working.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, that's how I fixed it.
Still, that's an interesting it would caught anybody off guard. It's just like, wait, what? What happened here?
I posted a brief description of what it basically says in the general chat. I know it's to take a look at it.
A few weeks ago, I also had like a very, very specific similar issue.
Yeah.
Well, but it was on Linux, but it was also related to something similar. So pretty much, I updated my gaming computer from I forgot the specific version, but like the old version of Pop OS to the newest one, and internet wasn't working at all. Like
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah,
I tried.
Yeah, you probably your internet drivers were blocked at that point. That's another thing Windows like. So they update
Yellow.
Windows. Sometimes they break your network drivers.
No, actually, it was like super silly because I spent like an hour figuring what was going on. Because at first I thought it was the DNS, because if I tried to ping Google by example or something like that, it said that there wasn't a route to to host. So I said, okay, it's probably DNS or something. So I was looking for a lot of stuff, and after an hour I figured out that the hostname file was empty. So
Oh, that's why it wasn't working for you.
for some reason the team that pushed the update, it was incomplete. That's so unprofessional.
See, if you check the general charge, this is what happens when the service goes off. See, that's a brief description, but that's what happens.
DNS cache.
Okay.
So it was so it was basically like a temporary save. That's interesting. Honestly, that's very interesting. Never had something like that happen. At least to me, I never had something like that happen.
Yeah, well, at least now you know for future reference, you know.
I'm pretty sure that you're not gonna forget if that happens to you again. Same goes with
I
me.
know that. No, I know that, because I know now how to fix the damn problem if it does happen again. It's a 1 hour fix. So,
I will keep that in mind.
yeah. You gotta have Windows of how many times it breaks on a daily basis.
Oh yeah. That's literally one of the reasons I ditched Windows and decided to go full Linux. Well, I still use Windows for gaming, but that's it.
Yeah, but Linux ain't perfect either. It has its own quirks.
Oh yeah, I mean it's not perfect, but like let's be honest.
Hey, if you're okay if it breaks down and you can still use it, then it's for you. I still use Windows as well, or not.
I mean, Windows could break down and still be usable, but if Linux breaks down, it goes into full meltdown mode.
Yeah. Now something I actually don't like on Linux is like peripherals, like sound. It's like really hard to figure out stuff when you're working with.
Yeah.
Hey, do you?
Sorry?
The only thing I don't really like about Linux, it doesn't really play well with modern hardware.
Oh yeah. So
It's
pretty much.
Yeah,
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
And the
Windows?
fact that the amount of kernel panics I've had to Linux RAM, I'm like, come on.
I'm not sure.
You know, every time I update the damn kernel, I get an error saying, kernel panic out of RAM. I'm like, bro, I just allocated 64 gigs to kernel. How the hell are you have the 64 gig of RAM already? You know? The allocation on there isn't the best.
I haven't heard about this Max Winbow to run Windows apps. I just use bottles.
Oh yeah, I use bottles too. It's really good.
No, this is the one that Max is talking about called Winbolt. Never heard of it, this one.
I've never used this. I always use one to run Windows files. Winbolt.
Oh,
Is that like the Windows 11 version of Linux?
No,
it could be. It's
like-
10:53 p.m. for me, Jack. Oh, there's an app
The
image.
Winbow is like a software that integrates, like, kind of flawlessly, a Windows VM with your desktop. It's like some sort of. It uses the API, the Windows API, the graphical Windows API, I think, and it kind of streams it directly into your Linux desktop. I think that's how it works.
No, it's basically it's like a virtual machine.
Yes, it actually runs a virtual. That's why it asks for KVM on the screen right now.
See, our name is Docker Compose. Oh wow, it needs all that. Okay.
Yeah, because you need Docker. I think it's like the Windows image that runs on Docker. So that's why you need like Docker and virtualization. Because it is like a literal Windows virtual machine, and the software is running on the virtual machine, and the user interface through the Windows graphical API gets a stream to your Linux desktop. It's like Windows subsystem for Linux, like WSL, but the other way around.
That's
Okay,
crazy.
I'm gonna give that a try. So, I think I did answer you, Jack. The time zone here right now is 10:54, man, p.m.
It's 2:34 a.m. for me.
Wait, are you also in the future?
UK, yeah, mate, that was 6 hours ahead.
UK is 6 hours ahead of me. Like,
Holy
if I'm
crap!
not wrong,
So you're further
wait,
ahead in the 10?
It's 2:55 a.m., nearly 3 a.m.
Mine is 10:55 a.m.
Oh, so
It's
you're
2:55
still
a.m.
ahead, Andrew.
Yeah.
10:55 a.m. I'm sorry.
Jack is
Yeah.
Jack is also UK as well, because he said it's 2:55 here. Nice. Yeah, Jack, it's good to see someone else from the UK. Yeah.
I should do that as well. Okay, Docker compose.
I mean, you're not the only one that is from the UK. I know some of it is from the UK. But good to have you around.
Actually, Jeff, I will advise you to install Docker through the official like repo instead of the one on the zipper. Because a lot of times, go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, I already installed Docker. Now I'm doing the compose. I think that's what I did here.
Oh, okay.
That's what I did here. Yeah, Docker.
Yeah, I told you installed like Docker from zipper.
I did, yeah. I did do it from Super.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna use
Oh,
this
okay.
one. This one, I think this one's gonna work. So I really want to try that out. It's better than I think.
Jack,
No, I think
Jack
if you
is
install
cool.
Docker itself from zipper, actually install Docker Compose also from zipper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, let me just boot that up again.
So you can just do like sudo zipper install Docker dash compose.
Oh, that's insane. Huh. Maybe I just haven't started.
No, it actually didn't install because it said you needed to run in a sudo. I think.
Yeah, okay, I have it. Let me try again this. Failed to out.
Permission denied. Huh.
There we go.
No, instead of doing it that way. Okay.
Yo, Giga Chat.
Yes?
Guess what?
What?
I just posted the remote in the live support on Discord. Your personal remote.
Really? Let me see.
Holy crap, is that really 30 sticks?
Yeah, and I don't know. Actually, part of it, I got 2 boxes full of sticks as well.
Man,
Actually, part of it.
if I
That's a
ever,
lot of money right there, dude.
if I, if
I
I,
have like 100. I have like 100 odd sticks.
man, if I ever need rams, I'm gonna ask you.
Yeah. Nicky, you can never run a ram, right? You know? It's always good to have plenty of ram. It's always good to have plenty of ram.
I only have like, I'm pretty sure I only have 3, and 2 of them are damaged.
I'm so happy I upgraded my laptop before the RAM prices went up. Because my laptop originally had 24 gig of DDR5. And I upgraded it to 64 gig of DDR5. Because I have an RTX 4070 in my laptop with a 13th Gen i7. It's a pretty powerful gaming laptop, and I use it for Blender and other stuff. So,
Sweet.
Yeah, I didn't. I was thinking of buying extra RAM for my laptop, like in September. And, I mean, the prices were fine back there. And I didn't. Now I really, really regret it.
Yeah, I was planning on building a new NAS this year, and I don't think that's gonna happen.
well, luckily I built my NAS because I bought the RAM sticks without paying tax because I'm tax excluded from my business.
Oh, nice.
So I got
well,
lucky.
that's neat.
Yeah, well, I don't earn enough money per year to pay taxes practically. I'm below the threshold.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So if your business doesn't earn, if your business doesn't earn enough money, you're gonna have to. I could buy it practically. So if a GPU was practically saving me 1,600, that's with taxes, right? I'm only paying like 1,200 for the GPU. I'm buying it for base price with no tax added. So yeah. It's a perk, but at the same time it's not because yes, I get stuff cheaper, but then at the downside is then those parts like in storage for months, just collecting dust because I'm waiting for a sale, you know. So I don't purchase them now unless a customer wants them up front. Because I was losing money doing that. And I stopped building custom computers for people as well. Because what was happening was customers were saying, hey, I want this built. I was using my own money to build the PC because I was stupid. And halfway through they said, oh sorry, I don't use it no more. So now the customer wants it built, so they go give me the money up front or I'm not doing the job.
Holy crap.
Huh?
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah. So people would try to rip me off, so in the end, that's what I had to go to. As you want a PC, you pay up front. Now I order the parts in. And I charge like $125 service fee as well for building the computer, plus that includes the Windows installation and BIOS updates and everything included.
Yeah,
And
you
quick question, Ryzen. Do you actually buy Windows?
Yes, I do. I have I'm a Microsoft reseller, so per month Microsoft gives me about 150 keys a month. I'm a certified Microsoft reseller, so every month I get keys directly from Microsoft.
150 keys, and how much do you have to pay for those keys?
I don't have to pay from because I pay the keys are free. The only charge is though, I have to pay an annual fee. I pay Microsoft a monthly of $20 for the program.
Wait a second.
really?
Wait,
Yeah.
so wait, you get 150 keys, and you gotta pay them monthly. So what happened was you start paying, those keys go worthless?
No. Basically, I get the keys, but I won't get any new keys. So, say example, I pay Microsoft $200 a month, right? And I get 150 keys.
Yeah.
I could sell those keys for like $50 per key. So if you work that out, I'm earning more money than what I'm paying Microsoft directly. So I'm paying keys per batch.
Huh.
$20 for 150 keys?
And $200.
Oh, $200?
Yes.
No, but like a year or a month?
A month. It's a monthly fee. If I want to pay yearly, I got to pay like $5,000 a year.
Holy crud.
But it's a basic keys though. These are just like Windows 11 home keys. If I want like a professional or above, the fee is much higher. You know? So these are just for because buying Windows 11 home in bulk is cheaper than buying Windows 11 Pro in bulk.
I thought Windows 11 Home is basically free of charge.
It is, but if you are a business like an OEM, which I am technically an OEM, I have to
Oh
put
yeah,
Windows,
those.
I have to put
Oh,
Windows
those
11
are
Pro
like
on
you
there.
need to use the OEM key. Those
Yes,
are those
Yeah.
are legit like serious activation cut.
Yes, that's how I'm paid. That's how I get my license keys cheap because I pay $20 a month and I get those keys in return. And I give
That's like
people
how I
more.
paid for mine. Mine is $200.
So what I do is I give people an option if they're gonna buy a PC from me. Do they want a Windows OEM key or do they want a PC without an OS? They can put an OS on themselves. I give them that option. And if they do want a license, I practically go to the Microsoft server, put the key down, and then I got like a little printer which prints the license key out, and I stick it out to the side of the computer for the person.
But I guess those are like OEM keys that link to the motherboard, right?
Yeah, most keys link to the motherboard, even the ones you buy online. So if you have a custom-built PC and you buy a key, that key ties to the motherboard. The downside is
Wow.
the only downside to the keys, you can only have a maximum of 5 reactivations before you can buy a new key again. Before you have to buy a new key again.
I had the same thing, and basically I paid $200 to reactivation, and I did a custom build on my PC, so I need to literally get an OEM cut. And based on the OEM, I basically can reactivate 5 devices.
Yeah, that's the thing with OEMs. You can have a maximum of 5 activations. So if your motherboard died and you swapped your motherboard out, you'd have to reactivate it. Then you only got 4 left. You know, if you change your CPU, you have to reactivate Windows because the key is also tied to the CPU as well and the motherboard, which is stupid. But that's how Microsoft have done it. You basically did it
And
to
that's
judge
what Microsoft has done so to lock us out.
they basically say piracy by its own gimmick. You know, they try to get you by emojis.
I honestly use pirate Windows.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
you know, some of us don't have that luxury because legal issues. You know.
Oh no, yeah, I mean, like you're in the UK and you have a business, so you can't really do that. Yeah. But I mean, I live in a tier one country. Even the government uses cracked Windows, honestly.
Oh no, the government over here uses cracked Windows too. But practically you just can't get caught as a business using it because yeah, you know.
Yeah,
Government is really businesses. They're like agencies, so you know they do what suits them. But yeah, but you have to use like all purchased software.
It's like saying like, okay, have it cracked, but don't try to sell it.
Yeah, practically. So I used to do that years ago. I used to do that software, test it before buying, and then if I like the software, then I end up buying it. You know, I do testing before you buy.
Key, like 150 keys you need to activate